Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're taking a look at a wonderful little two-bedroom mid-terraced property in Willow Farm Way, and this one is number 34. As soon as you come through the front door, you're going to see that you've got that really nice homely cottage style feeling to the property. And what we'll do first is we'll take a look at the kitchen. So here we are in the kitchen, and you can see it's a nice, clean and modern space. Everything here is ready to go, and of course you do have the oven, the hob there, and the space for the washing machine as well. So a really nice, clean and open space that's ready to use. We've also got a downstairs cloakroom, which is a huge bonus and certainly needed in any modern property, so it's absolutely fantastic that we've got that. So what we're going to do next is we're going to go upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms. So here we are upstairs, and you will see that we've got two really good sized bedrooms up here. This bedroom is the bedroom overlooking the rear garden, and as you can see it's certainly a double size, and you've got that nice window there just overlooking the rear garden, and also you've got the range of fitted sliding wardrobes there as well, so that's a huge bonus. And as I say again, it's certainly a double size room, but we'll go through and take a look at the rest of the property in just a moment. Here we are in the main family shower room, and as you can see, this is a really fantastic, modern, clean and contemporary space. You've got that lovely big shower unit there, and that flooring is really wonderful, and as you can see, you've just got that lovely look to the entirety of this room. They've done this really nicely. Certainly a space that you can relax in. And here we are in the front master bedroom, which is a really good size. You've of course got plenty of space for a double bed in here, and for plenty more furniture as well. So this is a really nice size room. You've got those two windows there just overlooking the front of the property, and again more sliding wardrobe storage there as well. So absolutely brilliant. What we'll do is we'll go downstairs and take a look at the rest of the ground floor living space. So here we are in the main lounge, and as you can see, it's got a wonderful look. You've got that lovely wood effect flooring there, and you've got that lovely little feature fireplace as well. And what they've done here is they've just opened up the space here into the rear extension, which we'll go and take a look at there, but it just all works really nice. It's a very cozy space, but it's a very good size as well. So this extension, as you can see here, you've got a set of French doors which lead out onto the rear garden, but this space has been just made really well. It's now feels like a sort of a designated dining space, or even more extra reception space. There's a lot of possibilities for this little area here. So what we'll do is we'll just recap on a few bits as we're going through the rear garden, which is beautiful and really well tended. Of course, mid-terraced, two-bedroom family home this, and it is ready to go. There's no work that you need to do here whatsoever, and you do have allocated parking with this property as well, so it's an absolutely brilliant buy, and I'd really ask that you give us a call to find out a little bit more.